All right, easy does it. Slow and steady. Perfect. Locks engaged. Secure. All right, that's the corner. Time to check the line. Keep digging. Almost there. Keep it steady. Looking good. Affirmative, adjusting flow. Measure, cut, secure. You got it, boss. Looking good. All right, just a little more to go. Perfect. Perfect. The glow is incredible. Yeah, feels good to finally finish this. All right, that's secure. Now to test the pressure. All right, looking good. Just a few more adjustments, and it'll be perfect. All right, easy does it. Slow and steady. Perfect. Locks engaged. Secure. All right, the main structure's done. Now for the cozy touches. The ceiling's done. Warm light, perfect acoustics. We're ready. All right. Everything seems to be in order here.
Analyzing system data. Data confirms successful connection. Status update complete.
Almost there. Careful with that one. Heavy load. You got it. Okay, settling it down. The framing here is solid, just as specified. We're on track. All right, perfect adhesion. Now for the other cavities. Filling nicely, solid seal. Almost there. Looking good, keep pushing. Just need to lock this last edge in.
System status, green. Manual override engaged. Sector 3 secure.
Almost done now. Need a hand with that? Got it. Time to move. Stay low. I've found it. Now to see what lies inside. Measure twice, cut once. Looks solid, but I'll check the level. The pressure in tank 7 is dropping. We need to check the bypass valve on the main filtration grid immediately. The finish is perfect.
Yeah.
Ready to test it out. Absolutely. Just need to calibrate the water. Ah, finally done. Ah, that's better. Finally got a moment to breathe. All right, that should do it. Looks good.
The intake manifold is compromised. We need to reroute the humidity regulators. It's a tighter margin than we anticipated, but we can make it work.
Almost through. Hold tight. Okay, got it. All right, let's see what we have here. First aid looks good. We ready. The ventilation needs to be reinforced here, and we need to check the structural integrity of this support beam. Power's out. Secure the perimeter. Get ready. All right, let's get this cycle started. Just a moment. There we go. All right, that's connected. Just need to calibrate the sensor. That's it, we're secure.
Status report.
Sector 7 is clear, no hostiles.
Incoming transmission on secure channel.
Patch it through.
Nutrients look stable. Need to adjust the temperature a degree or two to prevent fungal growth on the kale.
The perimeter is secured. Move in. We're ready, but keep alert. No distractions.
All right, first aid, water, food. Almost there. Good work, builder. Just the last few packs.
Access granted. Target located.
Analyzing the facility. Looks stable. Time to proceed.
Filter pressure is fluctuating. Check the output gauges.
All right, perimeter check. Adjusting the feed. There. Door cam confirmed, all zones locked, system calibrated. Thermal signatures are consistent. Confirmed. Operation Silent Blade is a go.